we're about to record this. All right, folks, look at here, look at here. I have one of my mastermind clients, Coach Debbie. Coach Debbie, tell me what you got a smile on your face like what happened? What had happened? Tell us what happened. Tell me
What happened is that I closed on my first client.
closed
And
on your first client.
first client, yes.
Tell me about it.
So
Unpack that.
unpack it. Well, she had responded to me, my intake form, and filled it out. It was based on a positive comment that someone we both mutually know in my former industry before I retired. And because that gentleman is so well respected, she started looking into me and looking at my post. And it was a post that I had done on LinkedIn regarding opening up and the value of writing your story and how it can be a healing process. So she did some more research on who I was. And because I found out she had a similar uh, situation to what I had experienced, why I originally opened up. She felt comfortable enough to fill out the intake form, and we had a conversation. And after reviewing all of my programs, starting with the mastermind, she has decided to take the basic tier for right now, to at least uh, get her book, to bestseller on pre-order.
All right. So what did you do? How did you get the confidence and the courage to close? How did that come about? Talk to me about that. Unpack that.
Unpack that not only was I asking her questions, through the process, but she was also asking me questions. And because the subject revolves around domestic abuse, which is a very dark subject, I'll leave it there. Her concerns were, are there any pushback? Did people judge you? She had a lot of fears and stuff about opening up and talking about it. And when I explained to her my experiences and how I was surprised at how people in our own industry had come up to me and said, "Thank you for opening up and writing about this. More needs to be said." So I said it gave me the encouragement, and on top of that, I said I shared with her that it took me 25 years to open up. And when I typed the words "the end" at the end of the story, I realized in my journey and in my healing process. And that's what she's really looking. She's put herself through counseling and been working on herself, understanding what part she might have played in getting involved in a relationship like that, and has is she wants to continue to heal and open up and talk about it and hopefully help others.
So tell me this, what part, uh, what did being a part of this mastermind do to help you close? How did being a part of this mastermind that you're in with me help you with this close?
Well, I think it starts from the very beginning. When I joined your bestseller program, first of all, getting a book to bestseller, that is a big confidence boost, and the momentum kept going. And so I wanted to invest in myself. Is like, if I can do this, what do I need to do to help other people open up and share their stories and create business for themselves, a brand and a business for themselves. So working with you and coming through this mastermind, I have been learning those techniques and what needs to be done and how to do it, what to say, what not to say, and just really, you've given us a playbook. From kind of start to finish, you offer the courses and having the meetings weekly with our group. I think does a lot to boost my confidence. But yes, you're giving us the tools. You're giving us the tools to succeed.
How
And
does
that's
it feel?
something that I needed.
How does it feel to close your first client at this level? Have you ever, is this the first client you've closed in your coaching program?
Yes.
How does
Oh,
it
I
feel?
was, it's exhilarating. I mean, this happened a couple days ago and I'm still on cloud nine.
Uh,
So, and even with we're moving and dealing with triple digit, temperatures and stuff, I'm happy. I'm thrilled. Now I'm excited about putting things into place and I'm excited about helping her achieve what I've achieved and go even beyond that. So I'm excited.
Awesome, awesome. Well, I just want to say congratulations and thank you for taking the time to jump on here and share with me about it. Okay?
All right. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
I mean, I
Thank
couldn't
you.
do this without you. And to be fair, giving me the confidence to take that step and invest more in me and in my learning.
Wow, wow. Well, Coach Deb, I see a lot in your future. I see a bright path. And now, like I say, when you find the way, run the play. Just do what you just did there over and over and over again. Congratulations.
Thank
Keep
you.
okay.
Okay.
All
Take
right.
care.